These are the yummiest greens ever, but they are not cooked. These are not cooked greens, but they are amazing greens. Marinated collards. Let me show you how to make them. Go ahead and chop your greens. I use my food processor. I have another video I'll put up so that you can see how I did that. Clean it with water and vinegar. This is how I clean my greens, with water and vinegar. Did this 3 times, okay? Soak, drain, soak with vinegar, drain, soak with vinegar, drain. And that's how you really make great, nice and clean greens, because you don't want any grit in your greens. After you get done rinsing, soaking, last thing is put it in the salad spinner if you have one and spin them dry. Get that last little bit of water out and your greens are about as dry as they can be. Now we're going to use 5 cloves or 6 of pressed garlic. I don't like the garlic. You can use that if you want, but hey, do a little bit of work, peel and press, and you have nice fresh garlic with medicinal properties, good for your high blood pressure, good for your joints, good for your immune system. Okay, we're going to also use 1 red pepper. Take out the seeds, take out the stems, and go ahead and slice that into strips, and then go ahead and take those strips and make them into cubes, little chopped pieces. Now we're going to use 3 red jalapeno, or green if that's what you have. Again, remove the stems and the seeds, because that's where the heat is. You want to regulate that heat by taking out those seeds. And chop it into little pieces. We're going to take some green onion. If you don't have green onion, you could use red onion. You could use yellow onion. Just some onion. I had green on hand, so that's what I use. But I've used red before and it comes out just perfect. Now I got my jalapeno. I got my red pepper. I got my garlic, and I got my green onion. All chopped up, ready to go. Now I'm going to use some sun-dried tomato that's been in oil. This is in a jar. Chop that up. Dice it. Very fine. Now it's time to assemble. Use a 1/2 cup of olive oil, 3 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. And that vinegar is really what's going to cook those greens, make it nice and tender. Garlic powder and onion powder. One teaspoon of smoked paprika. A little sweet paprika, about its same, a teaspoon. Add some chopped veggies. All your veggies that you chopped up. Now's the time to use them. Put them on in. Garlic, peppers, onions, sun-dried tomato. Yep, mix that all together so it all gets a little dressing. It all feels nice and melded together. Then slowly start adding in your chopped clean greens. And mix that together so that everything gets covered. Do it nice and slow. Now in total, you're going to use about a tablespoon of salt. And you can take that tablespoon and add it in slowly as you add in the greens. And that will make sure that all of your greens are salted. And it also brings the liquid out of the greens, which you want that nice juiciness. It's going to add to the marinade. somewhere between a half a tablespoon and a full tablespoon. It really depends. Go ahead and massage it. Make sure you're getting all your dressing, your veggies, all throughout the greens. And look at how pretty that is. Look at all the beautiful colors. And baby, they love this. Anybody who tries it goes crazy. You got to try this. It's warm out. You don't want the cooked greens, but you want to have your greens. You got to try these marinated greens. You will not turn back. You might eat them all winter long. Gotta try it. Don't forget to like and subscribe this channel. Don't forget you can get my recipe guides on Amazon if you want more recipes like this. Enjoy.